In this video, I'm going to show you how I make smooth and creamy fudge. First, I'm going to take a 9 by 13 pan and I'm going to coat it really well with butter. Then I'm going to set it to the side. And in a 3-quart saucepan, I'm putting 3 cups of sugar, 2/3 a cup of evaporated milk, and 1½ sticks of butter. And I'm going to put this on the stove on medium heat. Now I'm just going to gently stir this mixture until it begins to boil. You want to stir it gently so that way it doesn't splash up onto the sides of the pan, which will cause the sugar to crystallize and then your fudge will be gritty. So just stir it nice and gently. And then whenever it begins to boil, you're going to stir it constantly for 5 minutes. You want to keep the mixture moving so that it doesn't burn. Once again, just do it gently so that way it doesn't splash up onto the side of the pan, causing the sugar to crystallize. When the 5 minutes is up, then you remove the mixture from the heat and add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And you're going to stir these in until they are completely melted. Now I'm taking a pan of water that I put on the stove so I can heat my spoon up in it to put 1 jar of marshmallow cream into the chocolate mixture. Having a hot spoon will make getting the marshmallow cream off much easier. Then just stir the marshmallow cream into the chocolate mixture and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix that in as well. Once everything is all mixed together and melted, then you pour it into your buttered 9 by 13 pan. Give it a little shake to level it out. I'm just going to set it and let it harden up. Once the fudge is set, then I'll cut it into pieces and put it onto a piece of wax paper that I have put into my storage container. And just remove them from the pan. And whenever you do a second layer, you want to put a piece of wax paper in between the layers so that the pieces of fudge don't stick together. You can also add nuts to this recipe if you want to. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.